Introducing the Eureka Home Lightweight Mini Cleaner, your ultimate weapon against dirt and grime, designed to keep your living space spotless without breaking a sweat. In a world where cleanliness is paramount, this sleek and powerful vacuum cleaner stands tall, offering a comprehensive solution to your cleaning woes. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and find out why you need the Eureka Home Lightweight Mini Cleaner for carpet and hard floor corded stick vacuum in your life. Unleash the power of clean. Picture this. You walk into your home after a long day, and instead of being greeted by dust bunnies and crumbs, you're met with pristine floors and surfaces. That's the magic of the Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum Cleaner. With its powerful suction and versatile design, it's ready to tackle any mess, whether it's on carpets, hard floors, or even those hard-to-reach corners. Lightweight yet mighty. One of the standout features of the Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum is its lightweight construction. At just 4 pounds, it's easy to carry around and maneuver, making cleaning a breeze. Say goodbye to lugging around heavy, cumbersome vacuums that strain your muscles and slow you down. With the Eureka Blaze, you can zip around your home with ease, effortlessly tackling dirt and debris wherever it lurks. Effortless maneuverability. Thanks to Eureka's signature swivel steering, navigating around furniture and obstacles is a cinch. No more awkwardly trying to maneuver your vacuum around tight spaces or struggling to reach under low-clearance furniture. With the Eureka Blaze, you can glide effortlessly from room to room, leaving nothing but cleanliness in your wake. Designed for convenience, cleaning shouldn't be a chore, and with a Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum, it's anything but. The 3-in-1 design allows you to customize your cleaning experience, whether you need to tackle a quick spill or give your entire home a once-over. Plus, with the Onboard crevice tool, you can easily reach those pesky nooks and crannies that other vacuums miss. Cleaner air, cleaner home. But the benefits don't stop there. The Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum is not only adept at picking up dirt and debris, but also at improving the air quality in your home. With its washable filtration system, it captures dust, pollen, and other allergens, ensuring you breathe easy while you clean. The verdict: in a world filled with endless cleaning options, the Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum stands out as a true champion of cleanliness. Its powerful suction, lightweight design, and effortless maneuverability make it a must-have for any home. Say goodbye to dirt, dust, grime, and hello to a cleaner, happier living space with the Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.